Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the care of a Boston fern. Watering, how much sun it needs, brown tips, and we're going to do some propagation. Do not let the soil dry out. Boston ferns like to be moist. Water at least twice a week, or on hot days, water daily. I have mine outside on the porch, so I need to check mine often when the weather is hot. I take mine out to the hose and give it a good soaking when the pot feels lighter. We're going to give it a good watering. I take it out, give it a watering with the hose, wet it all down. Fill up the pot. Good soaking. Boston ferns are the perfect porch plant. They love indirect sunlight. Morning sun is great. Full afternoon sun can burn the fronds. In tropical areas, Boston ferns make beautiful ground cover in shady areas. They do well with pruning. It encourages a bushier plant. Low humidity causes frond tips to turn brown or die back. You can trim off the brown fronds. When repotting in the spring, carefully cut off a fern with healthy roots put in soil. You can also just go into the pot and pull a piece out, which I will show you. Now what I'm going to do is dig down through here, and some of these that are brown you can trim off. And I'm going to find a piece that I can propagate. Just feel down in the dirt and you can pull out one of these fronds. Sometimes it's hard, and it should have some roots on there. Let's see what I got here. This is a nice big one. This one has roots on it, a lot of nice roots. You can use, and you can put this in water or you can put this in soil. This is a nice big one here. I already have one in water. This one's pretty big, so I'm probably going to put this in a pot with soil in it. All right. And I want to thank everybody for watching. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them below and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Bye-bye for now.